Interested to know what the process of selling your home will look like? Well, stay tuned because I'm going to quickly and easily break that down just for you. The first thing I'm going to recommend is making sure that it's the right time for you. You're going to want to make sure that you're mentally and emotionally prepared to sell your house. Next, you're going to want to choose a realtor like myself. I would recommend interviewing multiple agents and asking questions about their experience. Are they familiar with your neighborhood? And what kind of marketing are they going to provide? Also, how hands-on are they going to be throughout the process with you? So once a realtor is selected, they're going to inspect your house as a potential buyer. That way they can make any suggestions on any upgrades that the house may need in order to sell exactly the way that you'd like it to. They're going to be asking you for some basic information on the home, any known repairs that the house may need, and they're also going to want a list from you of all of your favorite features on the home. What is it that made you fall in love with the house? After establishing a timeline with you, your realtor is going to go over their process of how they plan to sell your home. They'll give you an overview of how offers could vary once those start coming in. And offers could vary in multiple ways, such as closing date, requested repairs, the buyer's financial health, and finance terms. Now it's time to determine a list price for your home, and your agent's going to use research, their experience, and market trends to determine what they're going to recommend for your home's list price. They'll also break down the expenses and credits associated with the sale in order to determine what your net proceeds will be. Next, you're going to want to get your home thoroughly deep cleaned, and you're also going to want to get those agreed upon repairs and any upgrades completed. Once that's been completed, your realtor will have the home staged, and then they're going to have a professional photographer come in and take photos and any needed videos of the property. As soon as those photos and videos are received, your agent will be able to post your property onto the MLS. And the multiple listings service is connected to other big websites like Zillow and Realtor.com. They're also going to be posting your property on social media, and they're going to follow any marketing that they agreed to do with you for your house. Now your realtor is going to start getting notified whenever there's a potential buyer who's interested in viewing your home. They're going to work with you directly in order to coordinate these showings. As offers start to come in, your realtor is going to go over and review those with you. Once you accept an offer, there will be a period of negotiations through that contract. A home inspection and an appraisal is going to be done on the home, and these reports are going to be provided to the buyer. They could use this information at this time to possibly request that repairs be made or that a credit be provided. The appraisal will determine that the home value is in line with the sale price, and that will result in the buyer's loan going through. Your realtor should help you overcome any roadblocks to closing. And as soon as your house closes, it's time to celebrate. If you have any questions for me on this process, I'd be happy to answer them. My contact information is below.